Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the ngIf structural directives. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Structural directives in the Angular are responsible for altering the structure of the DOM. The ngIf directive conditionally adds or remove the elements from the DOM based on the Boolean expression or based upon the condition. So there is a simple example that is showing or hiding a message on the behalf of a condition. So let's have a of that one. So this is the code for the HTML part. Let's update the HTML component dot html. Okay, so getting me the error, so let's fix it because the function is not created. So in the component section we have show message and the toggle functionality. Okay, so here I need to update the code because here we require the toggle message and the show message. Okay, so initially the message is hidden, show message boolean false. Okay, when I toggle the message or when I click on the button, so toggles the message visibility. Okay, so not means whatever it is the value opposite that one. So if it is false, make it true. If it is true, make it false. Okay, so this is how it works. Let's save this. Okay, here ngif directive was used in the template, but neither ngif directive or the common module was imported. Use Angular built-in control at the rate if or make sure that the ngif directive common module is included in your imports. That means here I need to import the common modules. Here we have the common modules. Okay, save this. And here still there, the ngif directive was used in the template, but neither ngif directive nor the common module was imported. At the rate component dot import. Okay, I think I have to use here also forms module and the common module. Okay, because it's not there, I suppose. Sorry. Okay, I think now it should be fixed, right? Because it's not imported, now it is imported and it is fixed now. Let's run this ng serve. Okay, now open this URL and here we go with the. Okay, so currently if I just inspect the element, okay, what is there? The toggle message and the heading, and nothing is there, right? So it is currently hidden. When I press the toggle message, here you can see that the content is available right now. So when I do the toggle hide and show, okay, so this is how it works, right? So let's have explanation. Initially, the message is not displayed because the show message is false. When you click the toggle message button, the toggle message method switches the show method to true or false at the p element with ngIf show message. Okay, so here you can see that the show message, okay, is added to or removed from the DOM based on the value of the show message. Okay, so on the behalf of it, it will hide or it will show, or it is added or removed from the DOM based on the value of the show message. So this is how the ngIf work. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.